Hey guys, it's Arden from Sky Kids, and today we are going to be doing a snow cone review on this Charlie Brown snow cone maker. Pretty long title. Yeah. So now we are going to be making a snow cone. Ready, set, go. One second, guys. Guys, I knew this would happen. It's called no ice cube. Yep, no ice cubes. I didn't have ice cubes. Except we have some ice cubes in this tray of ice cubes. Now let me get them out. I don't think I should do a time lapse. Sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. Bah. 2 minutes into the video and I'm already saying sorry. And also, I got some shout outs for you guys. Shout out to Haley Malaya and Izzy Haynes. Isabella Haynes. Yes. If you're watching this, woo! I finally got one. Meh, one will be enough for right now. Snoopy in. As I can. Guys, I'm putting in another ice cube. Okay, got an ice cube, guys. It went right to the top. It won't. What? Guys, too many ice cubes.
I can't find your jersey. You won't get off your ass and go downstairs.
Guys, I'm sorry about that. No swearing on YouTube. Scoop it on out. Scoop it on out. Guys, there's barely anything. I just got some. Guys, almost full already, guys. Did I just... Do you see how much work this takes, guys? It takes a lot of work. My hand.
I love you.
Guys, that was my dad. If you haven't seen him before. Hot. Oh, guys, that was a blackout.
That was another one.
Blackout.
And then you put this in. Okay, Brownie?
Yeah, it's time. Wait, guys, it's time. We have finally. Stop it. Okay, that's my stupid brother.
Idiots. Okay, idiots.
It's time.
Bye, bye, idiots.
Because we got enough ice in it. Okay, now it's time for Mr. Snowy to give us some power in our snow cone. And sorry about my brother, guys. He is being very dumb. And look, we have it. Woo. We have a snow cone. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Peace out.
Whoa.
And have a skyful day.